Welcome to New Territory of Fitness. Today we've got a 14-minute workout where we're just going to focus on our core. We're going to run through 3 movements, doing each movement in a tabata style. So that's doing 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest for 8 rounds or 4 minutes. We're going to rest a minute and then move on to the next movement. The 3 ab exercises that we're going to do are dead bugs, flutter kicks, and side planks. For dead bugs, we're going to lie on our back. We want to squeeze our abs, trying to press the lower part of our back to touch the floor. We're going to lift our hands and feet pointing straight into the air, and then we're going to lower our one leg down and the opposite arm down, and then bring them back up and switch and do the other side. The goal is to keep your legs as straight as possible, but you want to focus on keeping your core tight, so if you need to bend your legs, that's a-okay. I'll go over the other 2 movements during our rest period, but our workout is about to start, so get ready in 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. So you've got 1 minute of rest. Our next movement is going to be flutter kicks. For flutter kicks, you're going to be lying on your back again, raise your feet a little bit so they're about 6 inches off the ground, and then you're going to quickly kick in place. You can make this a little bit more challenging by keeping your hands hovering above the ground by your side. You can customize this to make it a little bit easier by bringing your hands underneath your hips or by raising your legs to a higher angle, even if you have to go all the way vertical. The key thing here is you want to make sure your abs are engaged. So if you're raising your legs too high and you don't feel your abs working, then bring them down a little bit lower. If your abs aren't too exhausted yet and you're enjoying this workout, subscribe for more workouts like this. Keep resting up and wait for the ding for the flutter kicks to start. Awesome job. So we've just got one more movement to do, and that is side planks. So for side planks, you want to get on your side, balancing on your hand, keeping your body as flat as possible. So you want to gauge your abs, keep your body in one nice straight line. Hold this position for the 20 seconds, and then during the rest, you're going to switch sides and go to the other side. So back and forth each time. So that's 4 times each side. You can customize the side plank if you can't press off the ground by going to a higher target, such as a chair. If you're enjoying this workout, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Keep resting up. Side planks, the final movement, will start once you hear the bell. And you are done. Awesome job. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite movement was. And if you want to get more workout videos like this, subscribe to New Territory Fitness. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, keep exploring and stay moving.